Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math. Today we'll be learning about problem solving strategy. First, we have a problem. Find a pattern. And we have all of these spacing back here to signify this is where we would put the remaining pattern. Now, let's identify our pattern unit. We have a square. Let's mark it number 1. And then we have a circle. Let's mark it number 2. Square, once again. Let's mark it number 1. And then circle. So this is our pattern unit. Number 1 square, number 2 circle. 1, 2, 1, 2. Therefore, it would be square and then circle. 1, 2. Now let me erase these and copy and paste the pattern to where it belongs. 1, 2. Oops. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I want to teach you what's known as a problem-solving strategy. This is the focus of our lesson. And it's basically a step-by-step or a recipe or a process of solving a problem. Therefore, it is named a problem-solving strategy. The first step is to understand. What do I need to find out? What this means is you need to know what the issue is, what the problem is. And, if you read a math problem, you need to figure it out first and foremost what the problem is asking from you. What type of numbers is it looking for? For example, if Emily has 5 candies and she gives John 3 candies, how many candies does she have left, right? So we need to understand the problem. The problem is, how many candies does Emily have left after she gives away 3 to John? Let me erase this very quickly. Number 2, plan. How will I solve the problem? This will be based on what you've learned so far and how you practice solving these problems. Okay, so there are always step-by-steps, and there are also different ways of solving one problem. The third step, solve, find a pattern. Because our focus for these past lessons is all about finding the pattern unit, finishing the pattern, and creating patterns. For this problem-solving strategy, we'll be focusing on pattern. Therefore, number 3 is find a pattern. Last but not least, number 4, check. Does my answer make sense? And this is where the marking numbers come into play. Once you've marked a number with the pattern unit, you can use them as checking. It makes it easier, and so you don't make any mistakes. Let's have a little bit of practice with what we've learned so far. Latoya used a pattern to make a necklace. A bead fell off. Which color bead is missing? Let's check once again what's the problem-solving strategy. Number 1 is to understand. What do I need to find out? Let's look at the problem again. A bead fell off. Which color bead is missing? So this is what we're dealing with. We're finding the missing color bead. Let me erase this for it to be cleaner. Now we're done with step number 1. Let's move on to step number 2, plan. How will I solve the problem? What do you think? How will you solve this problem? What are the methods? It is color pattern and marking the objects with numbers. Remember? 1, 2, 3. All right. So that is our pattern unit. A circle, then a square. 1, 2, 3. If you want to check whether or not this makes sense, you can go back here. 1 is a circle. 2 is another circle. And 3 is the square. 1, 2, 3, it matches. Okay, so now that we have our pattern unit, let's move on to the next step of our problem-solving strategy. Number 3, solve. Find the pattern. Since we already have the pattern unit right over here, let's move on to solving it. Circles number 1. Okay, circle number 1. Circle again, number 2. And number 3 is the square. That's it. That is our bead right there. Now let me just erase this and copy and paste. And the missing bead goes here. What's the last step? Checking. Does my answer make sense? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Our next lesson is going to be about problem-solving practice. Obviously, you can't get good without practice, and practice does make perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math. Today we'll be practicing problem-solving, the previous lesson that we've learned yesterday, I think. So with problem-solving strategy, step 1 is to understand what do I need to find out. You know, it's a certain number or a certain pattern. Number 2 is to plan. How will I solve the problem? Now, this mentions the different ways that you can approach a problem, that you can analyze it. For example, you can start by identifying the pattern unit and then assigning numbers to each of the object within that pattern unit. Third is to solve, basically applying what we know in step 2 to step 3. Find a pattern. And last but not least is to check, does my answer make sense? Lucy was wearing a necklace. It broke and 2 of the beads are lost. Which color beads are missing? Let's take a look at the problem-solving strategy one more time. The first step is to understand. Now let me erase. The first step is to understand, what do I need to find out? Now what you need to find out is which color beads are missing. I put these 2 question marks over here to signify the 2 beads that you need to fill in with this chain of necklace. The next step is to plan. How will I solve the problem? Once again, pattern unit and assigning numbers to the objects within the pattern unit. We have this flower right here, and then we have a heart, and we have a circle, and we have a flower. One more time, heart and then circle. There's obviously a pattern unit. What do you think the pattern unit is? It is flower, heart, and then circle. That is our pattern unit, and I will assign the numbers: 1 for flower, 2 for heart, and 3 for circle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So let me just erase these question marks very quickly and substitute them with the correct pattern. There's no circle because we're only missing 2 of the beads. Alright, let's move on to part 2 of Practice Makes Perfect. Joe is making a bracelet. He needs 2 more beads to finish. Which color beads are needed? Step 1. Understand. What do I need to find out? Which color beads are needed? Okay, he's missing 2 beads left, and now he needs to know what those 2 beads are. Number 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? We can solve the problem once again, pattern unit and assigning numbers. We have a star, a flower, and then a flower once again, and then a star. Okay, so we obviously have a pattern unit, and the pattern unit being star number 1, flower number 2, and another flower number 3. You know this because the pattern starts again at 1, 1, 1. star, star. So I'm just going to make a circle for identifying, oops, that's wrong. Circle 1, 2, 3, not 1, 2, 3, and 1. All right. Clean this up real nice. And let's repeat the pattern using our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right. Now I'm going to remove these question marks and replace them with the appropriate patterns. 1 is star, 2 is a flower, 3 is also a flower, and then a flower one more time over here because 2, 2, flower. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Our next topic is going to be number 1 to 10. So I hope that you do check in. Remember to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math, numbers 1 to 10. A number tells you how many there are. I have a list of numbers over here and I have a bunch of objects to represent them. So let's go through them one at a time. First number is 1. We have 1 bow. 2, 2 light bulbs. 3, 3 stars. 4, 4 cherry bundle. Okay. 5, 5 bears. This is how you write the number 1 as a number. This is how you write the letter 1. Okay, and this is the object that's represented. So 2 is 2 and 2 light bulbs. 3 is 3 and 3 stars. 4 is 4 and 4 cherry bundle. 5 and 5 bears. Let's go through it one last time after I erase all of these little things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's say it a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many bears do we have in this list? We have 5. How many stars do we have in this list? We have 3. How many bows do we have in this list? 1. All right, good job. Let's move on to the next part. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go through them one by one. 6, 6, 6 roses. 7, 7 birds. 8, 8 book stacks, 9, 9 rainbows. 10, 10 person with their hands up. Okay, so that is how you write 6 to 10 with the objects representing them. Okay, how many roses do you have? We have 6. How many book stacks do we have? We have 8. How many rainbows do we have? We have 9. Good job, everyone. Now we have to drag to show the numbers. We have a little earth right over here, cute little earth. And what we need to do is we need to basically copy and paste how many earths that these numbers are telling us. Our first number is 6. Therefore, we need 6 earths. 1 earth, 2 earths, 3 earths, 4 earths, 5 earths, 6 earths. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now down here, how many earths does this number want? 3. So let's copy and paste 1 earth, 2 earths, and 3 earths. 6 earths up here and 3 earths down there. Drag to show the numbers. We have a little flower. What number is this? It is 8. 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4 flowers, 5 flowers, 6 flowers, 7 flowers, 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now down here, what's this number? It is 5. We need 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 flowers up here and 5 flowers down here. Now that's it for today's lesson. I hope that you enjoyed that and thank you for watching. Our next topic is going to be about practicing numbers because remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe and learn today better tomorrow. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math. Today we'll be practicing our previous lesson, numbers 1 to 10. So first of all, let's have a bit of a review. We have 1, O-N-E, 2, T-W-O, 3, T-H-R-E-E, 4, F-O-U-R, 5, F-I-V-E, 6, S-I-X, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 8, E-I-G-H-T, 9, N-I-N-E, and last but not least, 10, T-E-N. Before we go through with it, one more time, let me just do a quick erase. All right. Now we're going to read it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Count and write. What we're going to do is we're going to count the objects over here. We have these little flowers and these plant pots, and then we're going to write the number and then the letters of the numbers. All right, I hope that you get that. So let's move on. So let's move on to the first part. We're going to look at these little plants over here. I don't know why I was able to erase that. There we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So our number is 3. Do you still remember how to write 3? It is T-H-R-E-E, 3. So I'm going to go T-H-R-E-E. Next up, 1, 2. Our number is 2. And 2 is written as T-W-O. T-W-O. 3 and 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 in the house. Do you remember how to write 6? It is a 3-letter word. It is X-I-X. 6. X-I-X. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7. How do we write 7? S-E-V-E-N. 7. S-E-V-E-N. That's it. Now to the last part of our lesson, write the followings in order. So I have a number from 1 till 10, but they are, they're very messy. They're not in the correct order. And that's what our goal is. Our goal is to arrange them properly. It starts at 1. So I'm going to write 1 over here. 1. What's after 1? It is 2. T-W-O. What's after 2? 3. T-H-R-E-E. What's after 3? 4. F-O-U-R. What's after 4? It is 5. Where's 5? Oh, 5's down here. F-I-V-E. And a little dot up here. After 5, we have 6. S-I-X. 6. After 6, it is 7. S-E-V-E-N. Okay? After 7, it is 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Next up is 9. N-I-N-E. 9. And our last number is 10. T-E-N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it for our lesson. Our next topic is going to be learning about numbers from 11 to 15. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math. Today we'll be learning about numbers 1 to 15. Next topic from our previous lesson of numbers 1 to 10. First off, we have numbers 11 to 13. Now, don't be afraid of the big numbers. If you break them down, they're quite simple. With numbers from 11 to 13, you can separate the 10 out of the numbers. What do I mean by that? I have a bunch of candies for demonstration over here. And for the first row, I have 11 candies. 11 candies, that sounds like a lot. And the first step to simplifying this is breaking it down by 10. So I've already isolated 10 candies over here, okay? And there's only one left. 10 and 1, that's 11. And it's the same with 12 and 13. If you remove the 10, right, because 10 is already there, you have 2 left. What's 10 with 2? 12. The same goes with here. I just circle out the 10. Left with 3, 10, and 3 is 13. Let me just erase this very quickly. 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. Next up is 14 and 15. Once again, I'm going to circle out 10 candies up here and 10 candies down here. Now let's count these candies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4 is 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5 is 15. Very simple. You can absolutely write the letters as well. So 11 has E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let's say it a bit faster. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our first exercise is to circle a group of 10. Remember, that is how you make these big numbers easier for you. You just isolate the 10 and then you count whatever is after that. So we have a bunch of objects over here, and let's count to 10. I'm sure you already know that. And let's circle a group of 10. First, with these egg tarts over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That is our 10 right there. Let me just circle this very quickly. 10. Now, next, these jars, these jam jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is our group of 10 for these jam jars. Whoops. Next up, we have these little ladies over here with the hat. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little ladies over here. There we go. Next, last but not least, these oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle these 10 oranges. That's it. Our last exercise is to write the number's name. I hope that you remember. Our first number is 11. How do you write 11? Then next up is 12. How do you write 12? 12. 12. Down here, 13. What do we do with 13? T-H, thir, T-E-E-N. 13. Over here, 14. What about 14? F-O-U-R. 14. 14. Our last number, 15. 15. Oops. There we go. Now, let's read these numbers one last time before we end the lesson as a quick review. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Great job, everyone. Our next topic is going to be 16 to 20. Sounds exciting, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math. Today we'll be learning about numbers from 16 to 20. Let's get started. We'll start with 16 to 17 first. Obviously, we can't fit everything in one page. I hope that you remember how to count from numbers 1 to 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is our 10. I'm going to make a circle to separate it from the rest. Big circle. Okay, let's continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, that is 16 for us. Now to the muffins, since we're done with counting the leaves. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is our 10. Big circle one more time so we can separate the 10 from the rest. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Up here is our 16. We have 16 leaves. Down here is our muffins. We have 17 muffins, all right? Next up is 18 to 19. We have these little croissants down here. Let's start counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, circle the 10. Okay, let's continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 croissant for us. Now to the cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle our 10 cakes up here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, okay? So we have 19 cakes and 18 muffins. Now, last but not least, the final number, 20. Let's count. 1 mitten, 2 mittens, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, let's circle our 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, we have 20 mittens. Now let's dive deep into numbers and their names, starting with 16 and 17. 16 is 1 and 6. 17 is 1 and 7. 16 is spelled out like this: X, I, X, T, E, E, N. 16, okay? S, E, V, E, N, T, E, E, N. 17. Next up is 18 to 19. 18 is 1 and 8. 19 is 1 and 9. As you have already guessed, similar to 16 and 17, they have the numbers before and the word teen at the back. 18 and 19 is the same. We have E-I-G-H, 8, and then T-E-E-N, teen, 18. N-I-N-E, 9, T-E-E-N, 19, okay? Our last number, 20, with 2 and a 0 instead of a 1. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. 20. Now let's have a little bit of a review before we end our lesson. And let's try saying it fast. 16, 16, 16, 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20. That's it for today's lesson. Since we've learned a lot of big numbers today, we won't be having any exercise. That's for our next lesson. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math. Today we'll be practicing the lesson that we've learned previously, numbers from 16 to 20. First, let's do a little bit of a review. 16. 16 is spelled S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. 17. 17. It is spelled S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. 17. 18. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. 18. 19. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Okay? Last number, 20. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. 20. Next up, write the number and name of the number based on these little cats right here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's circle this group of 10 and continue to count down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have another group of 10. Now I want to tell you that 10 and 10 is 20. Okay? If you don't believe me, we can continue counting after 10 starting here. So it's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So a group of 10 and another group of 10 together is 20. All right. Let me erase this very quickly. We have 20. Do you remember how to spell 20? It is T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Next up to these cookie jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We circle this group of 10. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's 10 and 6? It is 16. If you don't believe me, we can continue counting after 10 starting here. So if this is 10, down here is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Going to put 16 down here. Do you remember how to spell 16? It is S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. X-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. That's it for our practice for today. I hope that you continue to improve on that. Our next lesson is going to be comparing numbers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math, lesson number 18. We're going to be comparing numbers today. First off, let's have a bit of a review. I have here numbers from 1 to 20. We're going to go through it 2 times. The second time is going to be a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's go through it one more time, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now for our last exercise, we're going to be comparing items, avocados, eggs, and cat, and then numbers. All right, let's work on our first problem, which is eggs and avocados. Let's count them to see which side is more than. 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs, 5 eggs, 6 eggs. We have the number 6 over here. 1 avocado, 2 avocados. We have 2 over here. 6 and 2, which one is more and which one is less? If we look at the chart, 6 is over here. Okay, any numbers before 6 is less than 6, and 2 is before 6. So we have 6 is more than 2, and 2 is less than 6. All right, is greater than, is greater than. Let me erase this. Let me erase this to make it prettier. Okay. So 6 eggs is greater than 2 avocados. Next up, the cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cats on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cats on the other side. So what do you think we need to write in the middle here? 4 and 4 is equal to, is equal to. Next up, 5 and 19. Is 5 greater than 19 or is 5 less than 19? Because we know they are not equal. 5 is less than, okay? Less than. Last but not least, 10 and 18. Is 10 less than 18 or is 10 greater than 18? 10 is less than, okay? 10 is less than 18. Our next topic is going to be order numbers. I hope that you tune in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math. Today we'll be learning about number orders. Before that, let's have a little bit of a review from numbers 1 till 20. I hope that you remember. We'll be reading through it 2 times. The first time I'm going to go slow, and the second time I'm going to speak at a faster pace. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last but not least, 20. Let's go through it one more time. This time I'll say it quicker, okay? So I hope that you can keep up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. This is the three concepts that we've learned in the previous lesson. Is less than, is greater than, and is equal to. For example, 1 is less than 2. Okay, this is the symbol for less than, which you will learn in future lessons, but I'm going to give you a brief introduction for now. 1 is less than 2, right? If you have 1 candy and your friends have 2 candies, that means that you have less candy than your friends. The same with 2 is greater than 1. Your friends have more candies than you. Or you could say that the amount of candies that your friends have is greater than you. Now, if your friends have 2 candies and you also have 2 candies, it means that your candy is equal to your friend's candy, all right? Over here, I have what's known as a number line. It's basically just a very long line, and there are numbers on the line. And this will tell you which numbers go first and which go after, which goes first and then which goes after that. Our first number is 1, okay? Technically, our first number is 0. But based on our lesson, we're just going to go with 1. And our last number is 20. And as you can see, 1 goes first, and then 2 goes after 1. So 1 is before 2, and 3 is after 2. Okay? Now, if you pick a number, let's say I pick 2, right? Any number before 2 is less than 2. But any number that's after 2, it's greater than 2. I could demonstrate this with any numbers. Let's say I choose number 13, okay? Any numbers before 13 is less than 13. And any numbers after 13 is greater than 13. For example, 17 is after or before 13. It is after, therefore, 17 is greater than 13. The same with 8. Is 8 before or after 13? 8 is 8 is before 13, so 8 is less than 13. Okay, I hope that you managed to understand that. It may sound difficult at first, but you'll get the hang of it the more you practice and the more you learn. Fill in the number line. We have 1, and then we have spaces over here, okay? And we'll fill in the missing numbers based on the numbers before and after. Let's start here first. 1. What's after 1? It is 2, okay? 1, 2, 3. What's after 3? It is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. What's after 6? 7. 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. 18, last number, 19. Okay. Let's go through it and check our answers. We'll read through it to make sure that all of the numbers make sense. Okay? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and lastly, 20. Good job, everyone. Down here we have 1, 2, and 3. Ooh, that's an ugly 3 over there. Let me draw that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Oh, the missing number is the first number. So what's before 8? As you can see over here, before 8 is 7. So it is 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Our next topic is going to be about addition, adding number, the sum of stuff, and so on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tinateach Math. Today we'll be learning about addition. So first off, what is addition? Now I'm going to teach you all about it in today's lesson. So our first step to understanding what addition is, figure out how many are there, okay? I have a group of elephants over here, and I want to know how many elephants are there in total, okay? So another word for in total is the word sum, and that word is going to come up a lot when you learn about addition, because sum means the total of a thing, a total of coffee cups, a total of candies, a total of people. When you want to figure out a total of something, you go with addition, okay? So let's start off with counting these elephants. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 elephants in total. Or you can say the sum of elephants is 4. And we'll do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, good job. So there are 5 people in total, or the sum of people is 5. Next up, we're going to draw. So we're going to draw a bunch of this shape. I hope that you remember the name of this shape. It is a circle. We'll look at the numbers over here, and then we're going to draw the amount of circle or the sum of the circle based on this number. So what is this number? How do you say this number? It is 7. 7. So we're going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, last but not least, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next up, what is this number? How do you say this number? It is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost there, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now with the exercise done, let's review what sum means. S-U-M. Once again, sum is the total of everything, okay? Let's say you have one candy, okay? That's my candy wrapper right there. What is the sum of your candy? It is 1, okay? Let's say your friends have 2 candies now. Let me erase this and I'm going to draw another candy. Your friend, your best friend, has 2 candies. What is the sum of their candy? If you guess 2, that is correct. Okay, and that's how sum works. The same way with addition. Now you have 1 candy. That's you, your candy, and your friend has 2 candies. What is the sum of the candies that you and your friend have? 1, 2, and 3. So the sum of the candies are 3. Okay, or you can write it as 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus over here is the symbol for adding or sum. That's it for our brief introduction into addition. For the next lesson, we're going to dive deeper. We're going to explore more stuff with addition and get you used to the concept. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.